We talk about freedom of expression. Last week in Alipur North, one BJP worker was arrested for a Facebook post. Last year, Saifukul Islam, Arambagh TV editor, arrested because he exposed corruption. Last year, BJP girl from Howrah, young girl, 21, arrested for a Facebook post. How are we different than what's happening in the country?
Very nice. It takes me back to my first argument. Victim card. You've given me 3 names.
I can give you more, sir, but then
Please give me, I'll give you only one. Allow me one.
Yes.
Again, trying to play the victim card when you are the intimidator. Here's it. I'll give you only one. 2018, location, Rajasthan, rally. Here's the quote. My Hindi is very bad, so I won't try. In English. We can make fake news turn true. We can make the truth turn fake. जो सच वो झूठा कर देंगे और वो झूठा है वो सच कर देंगे. मुलायम जी को थप्पड़ मारा उसका लड़का अखिलेश जी. That's the quote, unquote. How do we do this? हम लोग कैसा करेंगे? हमारा 31 WhatsApp groups है. Who said this? Video. The Home Minister of India. The Home Minister of India said this. By the way, he may have said this because he was distracted in 2018. I don't know why he said it. Last night in Calcutta, at the Science City Auditorium, if you look at what he said this in a more decorative way for the Bengal elections. So again I say, stop playing the victim. Fake news today, IT cell and all small things. These
so
names
are these names fake news? These arrests?
Sorry?
So were these arrests fake news? Did these arrests
I don't
not happen?
know these. I gave you a bigger example about the. But if you're looking at Mamata Banerjee's Trinamool Congress government, of course you could pick up 1, 2, 3 examples from anywhere. I'm giving you a more macro issue where the Home Minister of India is telling 31 lakh WhatsApp groups to go out and do. Sometimes Mr. Shah and Mr. Modi, we expect, listen, he's our Prime Minister. He's our Home Minister. So we expect a little bit of dignity. We expect a little bit of grace. What happened to all these little things which we'd normally expect? They are missing. And I think it's showing in Parliament also. You know, there was a bonhomie in Central Hall where you could go and have a coffee without bothering as to what jersey you were. And those were nice coffees. And that time it was subsidized. Now I think we have to pay a little more. But that is missing. I think there's a decency. And I saw what Mamata Di said yesterday. Yeah, we can be very decent, but then you come here, then...
But she also said to be fearless and report. But if you're going to be arresting editors, then how can you be fearless and report?
Who did we arrest? I don't know this.
Saifukul Islam, Arambagh TV editor last year. But okay, let me move on. Let's move on from there, sir. You also had a Mahua Moitra, who's an MP, in her constituency called journalists, do paise ka journalists. And at the same time, you say that journalists need to be respected, journalists need to be honored. How does it work?
Well, firstly, since you brought up Mahua's name, Mahua, Professor Saugata Roy, and Trinamool, in the last 10 days, for everybody, anyone who thinks that there is no opposition in India, quote unquote, we must give credit where it is due. The Trinamool is speaking out in Parliament. This one issue, since she said it, and it was her personal opinion, I think in all fairness to her, the next time she is on your channel, you can ask her why she said it, and she'll certainly give you a reason why she said it. But you saw yesterday the way Mamata Di not only respects journalists, she has a lot of time, and she's a very emotional lady, right? So she's a very emotional person. But you see, not only does she respect journalists, she speaks out, and sometimes, oh, she spoke out, but this is the way she does it. She has a fabulous relationship, not only with journalists, because of the small things she does with people. And you know, you keep talking about cult, and these are the things, these are the little things which little things which mean a lot. I don't know if you've ever traveled with Mamta Di or we've seen her at an airport, and sometimes we find it difficult to follow her example. She
Even follow her because she's quite quick on her feet.
try to walk with her.
Yeah.
No, I've never tried. I tried once or twice in Delhi. Very early, I got to know that don't go there, okay? Because she can multitask also on that treadmill.
Yeah.